What's going on YouTube? This is a 2UZ engine from my 06 Tundra 4.7. This is a quick video just going to show you guys how to put back these covers because they could be a little confusing. One goes on top of the other one. So if you put them on wrong, they're going to have to take them out and just reorganize. It's like a puzzle kind of. So this is going to be your first cover you're going to put on. You're going to have some of these bolts right here. And then you're gonna have some other ones that are a little shorter. The little shorter ones, they go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna go in here. Next, you're going to want to put this piece. So this piece, go down here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get that big one through there, and these two top ones right here. You slide it in right there. Let me just put these little two right here, just so they don't fall off for now. Come on. Then what you want to do is get this other one here. Get this other one, and it's gonna go. We're gonna get this one here and that one up there. I mean, you don't have to leave them on. You can take them off and just set it in there, but I like to use them as a guide, kind of. And this top one here, so that top one is a guide. This one is a guide for me, and this one is a guide. And then hold that in place. Make sure it sits well. Just hold it in there so it don't fall off on me. Third, no, 1, 2, 3. Then you got this fella right here. Those two long bolts. One is gonna go through this bracket here. The other one's gonna go through the top bracket right there. You see how this one sits on top of here, and it sits on top of this one, and this one sits in the bottom. Now you can put on the passenger side one. You know. And then the driver's side one, you have to fish this line in through this hole first. And don't forget this rubber grommet here. You know, the wire. And you put it in there after it was already installed. And this one will go on top of there, like that. That's how you put those covers back. Hope this video helps anybody out. Getting confused putting these on. Peace.